Hello everybody. Today I am going to explain you the novel The Scarlet Pimpernel. I am going to give you a brief explanation on the introductory part of The Scarlet Pimpernel. The Scarlet Pimpernel is a 1982 British novel. It's a romantic novel. It can also be said as a timeless novel of adventure. Adventure means doing something unusual or daring experience. Then it is a novel of intrigue. So intrigue means planning to do something evil, illicit, and romance. This novel is set during the French Revolution in 1792, during the reign of terror. Why terror? Because it was the time of bloodshed. The French people, the Frenchies, they were killing the aristocrats, the French aristocrats, or the people who belong to the upper class or the rich people. So the main theme of the Scarlet Pimpernel, is loyalty. So what is loyalty? Being faithful, at any cost, right? Even if you have to give your life, you have to be true. So loyalty, faithful. So here loyalty is seen in many respects, like firstly, loyalty to one's country, loyalty to one's family, loyalty towards one's husband and wife, and etc. It also depicts the success of the French Revolution, which actually had its beginning demanding equality, fraternity, unity, brotherhood. But later, it turns into a reign of terror and blood. Right? Here you can see a small clip how terrible was the punishment given to this aristocrat through guillotine. How common people became so heartless. They enjoyed when these aristocrats one by one were slaughtered. Their head were chopped, it was cut, they were killed in the dreadful guillotine. So now let me introduce you the major characters. The very important character in the novel Scarlet Pimpernel is Sir Percy Blakeney. Next, Margaret St. Just. Next, a man St. Just. Andrew, Lord Antony, Chauvelin, Comite de Tournay, her daughter Suzanne. So these are some important characters in Scarlet Pimpernel, and there are other minor characters too. Now, let us come to a very interesting question. Who is Scarlet Pimpernel? The Scarlet Pimpernel is the name used by Sir Percy Blakeney. He is an Englishman who uses clever disguises. Disguises in a sense, he often dresses himself like an old hag, a Jew, sometimes as a French guard or French noble, etc. And why he did this? He disguises in order to help French people from a high social class to escape from France, so that they escape from the guillotine during the French Revolution. So, in England, Scarlet Pimpernel, that is Percy Blakeney, in order to hide his true identity, he used to behave as a dull-headed man and entertained his guests with the poetry on Scarlet Pimpernel. They seek him here, they seek him there. Those Frenchies seek him everywhere. Is he in heaven or is he in hell? That elusive Pimpernel.
They seek him there. Those Frenchies seek him everywhere. Is he in heaven or is he in hell? That damned, elusive Pimpernel.
Come on, Bertie, you mustn't disappoint the ladies.
Forgive me, I'm far too embarrassed. Oh. Well, if you insist. The Scarlet Pimpernel by Sir Percival Blakeney, Baronet.
Bravo!
No, that's just the title. They seek him here. They seek him there. Those Frenchies seek him everywhere. Is he in heaven or is he in hell? That damned, elusive Pimpernel.